Dora tanya I, what would you do to change the country? So many things. First of all, we need to change. So yeah. Hi babe, if I want to trade for the first time, how much capital should we have? First of all, if it's your first time, I don't let my students trade. Why? Because you have no knowledge yet. So I suggest my students to watch my education videos on why? And on I already posted my education videos from chapter 1 until chapter 9. Watch it first, join my classes and a demo account. Then once you have enough knowledge, you know how to follow my setup, you know how to find your own profit first. That's why I don't like my students to trade with real money yet. Okay, so make sure you belajar dulu. Okay, join my classes every Sunday first. Yes, hair care routine, babe. Hair care routine. Okay, sorry. You've been messaging. Sorry. Okay, so hair care routine. First of all, shampoo is from L'Oreal, the Hair Pro Longer. Do you want me to show you? I can just show you. You know what? Can we trade any time of the day, or there's a specific time that you suggest? I would suggest to trade Euro session or US session. That's the best time for you guys to trade. Do you guys like my new painting? Is it nice? Okay, let me show you my hair care routine because my hair pernah bantut ya. Okay, ni adalah toilet Najla. Okay, so wow. So this is the shampoo Pro Longer screenshot. Oh, tadi cakap tu screenshot. Okay dah. So this is the two, and then I've been loving this. So good. This makes my hair so soft. So screenshot. Okay. Wow, nanti sampai masuk toilet untuk bagi korang. And if I'm like rajin. If I'm rajin, I would use this like once a week untuk grow my hair. Macam ni, it's like to clean your hair, scalp tau. Yeah, so that's my shampoo. So first you wash, and then lepas you wash, I use, where is my, sabar ya, I cannot find it. Okay, it's here. LOL. Okay, then I use this. This is a bit pricey, but it's really good. Like this one, I use it before I blow dry my hair because it makes my hair like look soft kan. So I use this. Yeah, so this one you pakai dekat bawah je. Okay, and then for hair oil, I use this. Look at how much I've been using. So this for hair oil, and then to grow my hair, like, oh sorry, I forgot, like sometimes I use this untuk spray dekat the scalp to make it grow, hair tonic. And the sugar head oil finish, so I tried out 2 days ago. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Tu je yang dia pakai untuk rambut Raja. I don't use that much product, just hair tonic, shampoo, conditioner. When did you make your first 5 figures? How many years of experience? I made my first 5 figures second year. Rambut same type, Ziana Zain. I pernah dengar Ziana Zain, lupa siapa. But I forgot what that is. I don't have the money to pay for the class. My class is free. Shut up. Guys, I've been living at my house alone and my sister won't stop disturbing me. Macam mana nak berjaya tu? Macam mana nak berjaya? Kena consistent. Because semua orang boleh buat kerja, tapi bukan semua orang boleh consistent. So korang kena jadi orang yang tak malas and just wake up every day. Because sometimes Najah bangun, Najah rasa macam tired, maybe I should slack a little bit today. But I'm like, nope, who's gonna pay for this view? You know? Kindly speak English. Sorry guys. Your class is free? Yes, it's free. So some classes are free. Okay, so I've been doing the boot camp 4 weeks back-to-back classes. So korang jangan miss out. So macam mana tak miss out, you guys click the link on my bio. Tapi you percaya tak someone ada luck sendiri? Luck. Luck I don't believe in luck. Honestly, it's not fair. And kita Islam kan? Islam tak boleh percaya dengan luck. Yeah. So yeah, I don't believe in luck. I believe in myself. And I believe in Allah. So you kena kerja keras lah. Nak RM1 2 kilo. Tak faham. Jangan kacau How to be successful like you, rich and bold. I didn't just get to where I am today just like that. I work very hard for it. I went through a lot of challenges for it. So I would say to become to achieve your financial freedom, I would say you really need to put in the effort every single day. Like there's not a moment in your life, even if you hit one setup hit risk, you don't give up. I don't give up over it. I actually analyze and do my analysis on why did the setup hit risk, you know. Jangan kacau korang. I'm going out now. That's it. I cannot live alone. Just kidding. I can live alone. You tak ambil PA ke untuk work dengan you kalau ada inform? Yes, nak jadi PA. So korang boleh message dia juga. Nak jadi anak murid for training boleh tak? Of course. Dalam ni semua student Najla. Ada yang barulah dalam ni. Hi, I just viewed your... Yeah. So make sure you join in. Click the join. Lain pula. Mesti without makeup ni kan? Cantik je. Kenapa? Sorry, honey. This is not the place or the life where a woman would feel sad that you think she looks different without makeup. Because I love myself. So whatever you say is a projection of you. It means that you hate yourself to leave a hate comment. Cuma doa macam model. Thank you, Aziani. Saya always doakan Najla happy and success dunia dan akhirat. Terima kasih guys. Najla doa you dimurahkan rezeki. Semua yang tengok ni semua dimurahkan rezeki juga. And bahagia dalam hidup. BRS. Nanti Najla nak BRS. Okay, sekarang ni belum lagi. How's the AMG Najla? I love that car. It's really really great. I'm gonna go out with the car in a bit. Nak start. Alamak, banyak messages. Nak start Cik Gana kak. First time nak try. Oh, mu gana mu gana. Mu nak kena try. Mu kena click the link on my bio. Okay? Lepas tu mu teke link tu mu join in. Okay? Okay tak? Okay tak? Ada kata kau Najla ni. Taklah, sebab ada one of this pretty girl just commented nama Terengganu Kelate, I don't know. And I'm trying to speak like her, you know. Nakal lo. Angkat aku jadi muridmu kak. Angkatmu jatuh nanti sebab aku ni tak kuat semua. So Najla tak payah angkat lah. Tapi Najla boleh tekanlah link kat bio. Join class, okay? Kak, Najla kemarin ada 6 lah fake account guna. Itu bukan Najla. Semua kena block. Kalau korang nampak nama lain, block je terus, okay? I cannot talk about broker here. Sorry my love. Najla rasa next week kita nak beli ke nak jual. Ada rumah biru tak? Ada. Tekan link kat bio. Mu tekan link kat bio tu. Mu tekan. Okay? Teacher lawak lah. Friday mood happy. Nak jahatnya yang guna tu lah. Korang jangan percaya. Okay, orang macam tu. Naj, ada student dari Beraka? Yes, of course. Dekat dalam private company kita ada banyak, okay? Guys, you need to read the news. I think you can. Jom tiramisu beans. Guys, I love tiramisu beans. Like, it's so good. It's so good. Kak Najla, macam mana nak join trade? Click the link on my bio. Kak Najla, I always see your card beans. Thank you. Next time take picture with me, okay? Jangan malu-malu. Saya cuba nak ambil gambar tapi saya malu. Jangan malu. Saya baik, saya tak makan orang pun. Tiramisu my favorite. Yeah, guys. I love beans tiramisu. What age you start trade, sis? I started when I was 19, 18, 19-ish. Which is the best couple or day trading? I would say last time I started with swing. I was a swing trader in crypto. Then I became intraday. Then I started scalping. Susah tak, Kak? And nothing in this world is easy. Kan? Betul tak? Korang setuju tak? Nothing in this world is easy. But if you really try to understand it, korang kena sacrifice 6 months je kot. 6 months untuk orang yang IQ dia sikit slow lah. Macam Najla ni tak adalah pandai sangat. So I took some time to learn, you know. And Najla dulu tak ada cikgu, lagi susah, you know. So take some time, just sacrifice 6 months. Korang jangan keluar dengan kawan korang. Korang duduk kat rumah tu terperap depan chart. Sebab that's what I did. Balik daripada kerja, daripada gym, Najla kerja kat gym dulu tau. Balik daripada kerja, I straight away look at the chart. Back test sampai pukul 4 pagi, you know. So, if I was you guys, I would do that exact same thing. Learn for just like few months. Lepas tu korang dah faham, korang dah boleh trade sendiri tau. I'm 20, so I hope to be successful like you by 24. Alhamdulillah, insyaAllah, you can do it, okay? This is my student, guys. Najla, can I message you to find out about? Of course you can. Click the link on my bio, okay? How are you? I'm very good, Alhamdulillah. Kak, I saw your car at KLCC. You were so fast. Thank you guys. Bawa saya jalan naik GTS, Kak. Teringindo. Boleh. Hello Najla. Hello Syami. Guys, ni student Dubai kita, guys. Another student Dubai. Hi, bis ke Jepun. Najla, please share your skincare pula. Your skin is flawless. Alhamdulillah. But my skin is not flawless. Jangan bagi gift. Simpan duit korang. Tolong jangan bagi gift, okay? Sorry Naj, kena pakai fake account. Awak cantik tahu. Nanti kena kantoi oleh member. Sebab begitu. Thank you. Terima kasih ya untuk effort untuk pakai fake account untuk compliment. Thank you sangat. Okay, so Najla buat apa suka je tak? Face to face. Najla memang nak buat tu. So this year I'm going to do that. So you guys can stay alert. Famous lah tu. Famous ke? Oh dia, mungkin dia famous, tak sure. I feel more comfortable with day trading. Yeah, that's why I always tell my students, find your own rhythm. So with day trading, do exactly that. If you're comfortable with scalping, do exactly that, you know. Berapa kena bayar, tak perlu bayar apa-apa. Message admin, you just have to deposit into your own account. Okay, I kena pakai different name, nanti suami tahu. Speeches je. Faham dah. Tapi kenapa suami nak marah you? You kan compliment perempuan. You bukan compliment lelaki. Aku lelaki ke? How to open account? Message admin Aisyah ni. Oh Aisyah, la ilaha illallah. Najla, awak ada second account ke? Tak ada. Itu semua scam. Najla ada satu je account yang untuk live trade tu je lah. Yang tu pun account kalau apa berjadi, goodbye lah tu account kan. Kak, cepatlah signal. Adab mana adab? Ingat ni kedai mamak ke? Order-order teh ais limau macam tu? Sabar tu kan indah. Kan kalau bagi satap kan terbabas macam mana? Tak nak kan terbabas? How to join dia? Click the link on my bio and join. Saya straight sendiri je. Good for you. Jangan marah Kak cantik. Tak marah. Kita kena jatuh sikit. Are you Muslim or not? Alhamdulillah I am Muslim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah balamin. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Malika bidin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Okay? Pergi kau. I cut lah Najla. You're literally the most funniest woman I met. Thank you. Jom better trade dengan I. You berani tak berani? Jom. Malam ni join live trade. Okay, jangan cakap banyak. Jangan masuk live orang and lepas tu nak tunjuk something. Mak bapak tak ajar adab ke? Some boys. Najla, please live hari-hari. Suka tengok Najla. Boleh. Some men are very depending on wife. I think that's what she meant. Nanti husband tahu kalau dia dah okay. Faham. Malam news besar. Jajab. So funny teacher. Thank you Kalisha. You're so pretty. If got no background study in finance or anything math related, boleh survive ke from zero knowledge? Of course. I was studying a law degree and I'm not good in maths. That's why I took law. And yeah, Alhamdulillah, I know how to trade. So you don't need maths or degree in finance. That's why trading ni, it's the only income that I know that can make you up to 7 figures without a degree. You can make 7 figures without a degree. Like, that's insane. Tapi it's not for everyone. The one thing I would say, because it's hard. It is hard, you know, especially kalau yang jenis macam rasa oh trading ni senang nak buat duit tekan profit. No honey, you know. You took law, yes. My first and second year I took a law degree. My third year my parents couldn't pay for my fees, so I belajar trading ni dah before like my I tengah ambil my foundation tau tu. Dah lama gila. Before foundation habis SPM dah belajar dah trading tau. So what I did was I was trying to be the best at trading so I can pay for my third year. Third year Nadia dapat half scholarship dekat UK. So while I was collecting money for my third year tu, third year dah pass, okay, dah pass dah, I dah miss dah. So I was thinking, okay, my last year I took 1 year je untuk really focus on trading. I dah achieve 5 figures, 6 figures. I macam gaji lebih daripada lawyer. So that's why I was like, I'm making more than a CEO's salary in 1 month, you know. That's why I focus on trading now. So yeah, my parents want to know, Najah, please finish your last year. Please finish your last year. I'm like, Ma. Do you want a life challenge? Let's go. But I gotta make sure you're legit. If you're not legit, Naj, masih makan arah mamak ke? Siapa tak suka mamak? Mamak sedap weh. I don't know what is up with the video. Like, I don't know why so many people are commenting on my video. Oh, perempuan macam ni lah boleh demand nak makan dekat fine dining. And like, there's so many people attacking this one girl because she said she want to take dia tak nak makan lepak mamak. To me, jangan acah-acah, mamak tu sedap tau, roti canai semua ni. So sila makan mamak. Nak ke tak nak lepak mamak. But one thing for sure lah, because I grew up with seeing a lot of people in my friends, my family, bila ada duit diorang berubah. So I always tell myself, please ya Allah, if I have like achieved like millions, jangan buat I rasa arrogant dengan orang lain. Please don't make me treat other people like bad, you know. Like, please make me humble, because I know one thing, if you are arrogant, you cannot go far in life. Because I pernah nampak orang yang berjaya, bila dia dapat duit sikit, dia berubah 360 and they don't go far in life. Sekejap je orang lain semua dah tak nak dekat dia, you know. So yeah, I was like, ya Allah, please, if I ever become rich, before I became rich lah, I cakap, please, if I ever become rich, I don't want to be arrogant, please, you know. So yeah, that's why I try, you know, I try to be nice to everyone, but I will not take any rudeness from anyone, tuju. Like, because I used to be a people pleaser. Like, I would literally like don't want to fight. I'd be like, okay, sorry, semua ni, like, no way, I'm not gonna say that anymore. You know, that there's a difference between arrogant and there's a difference between not taking anything bad treatment from anyone. So yeah. So what's your advice for girls who are studying plus learning to trade? I would say manage your time really, really well, because it's tough to do 3 things at the same time. Because I was studying, and I was working at the gym, and I was learning how to trade. So I was juggling 3 things. So time management is very important, and if you can really manage your time wisely, you can really do trading, you know. Because I wouldn't ask anybody to stop studying. If you have the money, if your parents can afford it, if you can afford it, please. But if you don't have the money, then, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. For my situation, I had to do what I had to do. Hi Najah, I already text you on about shoot you and your car. Oh, I'll get back to you. Teacher, I'm studying law, macam you, but oh my god, I don't know how you can manage it. I was doing really well in law, you know, like, I'm surprised because previously, if you guys didn't know, I tried to take ACCA because I was trying to do to take like a degree the fastest way. And in London, you can take ACCA for like, you can take it at home. You don't even have to like go to class, and it's very cheap. So it takes you about like 2 years for you to complete like 12 papers or 15 papers. I forgot ACCA. I didn't go I didn't go well in accounting. I wasn't smart in accounting. So when I took law, from not being a smart student, I got 3.7 GPA. So that's alright for me. I'm like, so yeah. I think sometimes people who go to school, high school, they would think they're stupid in certain subject. But actually, the real life begins when you go to college. Like, you have to choose the right degree for you, you know. For me, I figured out kind of late that, you know, I've always loved law, you know, because I love writing, I love debate, you know. Now, should I go live trade on gold? I'm gonna go live trade during US session, but then today there's LDR and monthly. Oh, sorry, you are that little cuckoo bird that said that I'm not legit, right? Aliga, you little gaga, dasa gagak tua lu. Where is the music? The market. What's your What is your recommend? ICT. What is you recommend? What do I recommend? I would recommend. Najla, I'm student. Oh my God, there's so many messages. Do you guys know I have ADHD? Sorry, guys. And Najla, I'm student, and I should. Guys, you gotta write properly because it's gonna make my brain not function. Okay. Thank you so much, Najla. Looking forward to shoot you and the bees. Let's go. I'm student, and this is how I respond to my hater, guys. Your brain not braining. Yes, you are the realest person ever. There is too much sell out in this world. Thank you. Keep it real. I trust myself. I don't trust you. And who asked you? You know, when boys, I don't know why boys are so insecure nowadays, because I don't call that guy a man. A real man, they wouldn't feel intimidated by a woman's success, you know. Some boys nowadays, they are raised by like, I don't know, I wouldn't blame their parents as well. I would blame their mentality, you know, because some boys are insecure. They cannot see another person being successful, so they bring that person down, and they think everybody would follow them, which is sad, isn't it? Like, you could have like messaged me and say, hey, like, how did you do this? You know, you like, you know, that's why you have to choose the people you surround yourself with. I mean, you will never see Jeff Bezos or Iman Ghazi, you know, bringing a woman down, but only weak men, and maybe they're insecure, you know, like with their body or their face or their brain. So yeah, actually, I just remember about first member, but I hope you can make us prayers. Of course. Maybe because they can't get women. I can tell. Aliga doesn't look like the kind of boy who can get women. Too young to give a shit again. Oh. How much money as a student need to have to start trading? I would suggest for you to have $100. Angela, I'm a student. How much that I should spend for trading? I got side income. I would say if you're a beginner, join first my classes, get as much knowledge as you can, and watch my education videos on YT. Then you start deposit. Najla, what capital would you advise to deposit to start? Because of course, but don't start with a real account. Start with the demo account, guys. Okay? Don't start with the real account. Start with the demo account. Korang kena fikir macam ni. You have to think this way. You can't just deposit and think you're gonna be profiting, because you don't have the knowledge just yet. You know. Very beautiful. Thank you. Teacher, kenapa tak bagi signal hari ni? Sabar. Jangan sampai kena cubit. Okay? Sabar. Guys, Najla akan bagi korang in a bit, okay? Kalau korang nak Najla and live, korang bagi setup. If demo is a practice account, which means it's not a real money. So you trade like you kelas English kan Najla. Ada kelas English, ada kelas bahasa Melayu. So demo account is fake money lah. So you boleh practice. Apa ni Syabah teacher kita? Sniper pew-pew nanti kan? How do you get done on your hair? It's so gorgeous. Guys, it's supposed to be hair wash day today, but thank you so much. I love it. Thank you. Oh yeah, by the way, I use a curler. Like, I use tong. Just reply in Malaysian, bro. I don't understand English. Alamak, apa soalan tu? Cuba tanya, nanti TP power. Saya tak reti English, tapi nak join kelas, nak mula. Boleh. Najah buat kelas bahasa Melayu juga. Join je, okay? Click the link on my bio. Najah, what you see today? LDR, market down or up? In a bit, I will share with you guys my analysis. Najah tak tengok lagi chart. Tapi Najah dah share mapping dengan korang dekat dalam VIP. I watch all the YouTube things that... Najlah, I kena scam. Korang janganlah kena scam. Janganlah percaya orang. Hair tutorial. Okay, one day I will do my hair tutorial. Actually, I've recorded it, but I've never posted it because I don't know. I think I need more girlies to like encourage me.
Gak mempermasalahkan split bill gitu. Jarang running kah kak? Iya, belakangan ini jarang karena aku lagi kena shin splint, jadi aku lagi rest teman-teman. Gitu. Aku lagi nggak lari dulu. Kak, apa tuh? Untung aja belum berangkat, dia duluan yang ngajak. Ya kalau misalkan mau split bill nggak apa-apa nggak sih? Emang kamu mempermasalahkan soal split bill? Kalau misalkan, emang kamu mikirnya kalau misalkan cewek yang ngajak first date duluan, berarti yang ngebayarin tuh cewek gitu? Lebih suka running atau gym? Kakaknya running. Aku nggak pernah nge-gym. Aku paling home workout. Kalau buat strength training juga aku paling home workout di rumah pakai dumbbell. Terus kalau misalkan leg day, terus kadang kalau misalkan mau main upper body, ya aku di rumah pakainya dumbbell. Bosen? Iya bosen. Split bill tuh gimana kak? Ntar pas mau bayar tiba-tiba nge-split gitu. Nggak tahu. PB running up apa berapa kilo dulu ini? Aku seringnya 35, 10 sih. Wajar gak sih kalau laki-laki banyak maunya? Ya kalau misalkan banyak maunya masih dalam batas yang wajar dan tidak terlalu menyusahkan, ya I think it's okay. Kak Bibi kalau ngedate mau gak naik Ichikiwir? Ichikiwir itu apa? Halo, Ichikiwir apaan? Apa kabar? Baik. Ichikiwir apa Ichikiwir? Itu tapi ada stang motor emang iya. Mau pet-pet kakak. Kenapa mau pet-pet aku? Takut. Hai. Duh. Info running date. Tidak ada info karena aku pun lagi rest. Dan aku tidak mau running date. Aku maunya running bareng-bareng, rame-rame. Stepnya nggak apa-apa sih gue langsung bayarin gitu first date, tapi nanti dikira sok-sokan nggak kak? Enggak dikira sok-sokan, karena memang sebenarnya kalau misalkan laki-laki mau bayarin first date itu merupakan hal yang bagus dan wajar gitu. Mau ngebayarin itu merupakan hal yang bagus, tapi kalau misalkan mau split bill pun juga nggak kenapa-napa gitu. Nggak masalah, dua-duanya tergantung ceweknya gimana sih sebenarnya. Aman. Mesiban boleh nggak? Enggak, aku nggak bisa diikat mesiban. Beb gak ikut demo, enggak. Aku mendoakan masyarakat yang turun ke lapangan dari rumah aja kak gitu. Oke, jadi berarti malam nih semangat ya first date-nya, semangat. Semoga lancar. Pegel, mesiban itu roti burger. Iya, mesiban adalah roti burger yang berantakan. Akhirnya bisa lihat wajahnya mantanku lagi. Di pegel guys, pegel anjir. Tuh rambutku. Wah, masih aja berantakan, ban aja itu roti burger. Jadi gimana yang bener Kak? Iya, cuman itu benar, cuman konteksnya itu lagi bahas hairstyle rambut, masih ban dalil whitey. Aku harus menjelaskan dengan sabar seperti apa lagi, ya Allah ya Rabbi ya Rasul, astagfirullahaladzim, Masya Allah. Gue lihat di Depok. Astagfirullah. Kangen GBK aku juga, cuman kan lagi nggak kondusif ya daerah Senayan dan sekitarnya. Jadi kita hiatus dulu para GBK people. Gitu. Kuliah di Depok. They move for a while, jangan di rumah. Aku dukung dari rumah aja ya. Aman kok Kak, GBK nih lagi mau lari. Tapi kan masih di Love GBK announcementnya GBK hari ini ditutup sementara karena kondisi sekarang. Coba kamu lihat di Instagramnya Love GBK. Biasanya di situ ada info GBK buka nggak hari ini gitu. Mirip cucu ibu. Waduh, siapa bu? Masih ingat aku nggak deh? Enggak. Udah siap belum? Ayo demo. Lari-larian sama polisi. Oh. Aku dibilang mirip cucu Bu Sri. Yang mana bu cucunya bu? Apa sih ini abdi negara? Nah kamu jangan sama polisi ya. Lucu banget. Iya. Semua lucu banget. Apa sih Ricky? Gak pernah aku jalan sama siapa-siapa. Info lari, aku lagi rest. Lagi gak lari karena aku lagi cedera. Sama pemadam. Rumahku deket pemadam kebakaran tau. Terus kayaknya tuh kalau misalkan anggota barunya tuh disuruh lari setiap antara pagi atau enggak sore. Terus mereka tuh pada suka muterin komplek aku sambil jogging sambil lari lah. Sambil jogging sambil nyanyi gitu. Gak lucu untuk sekarang. Maksudnya apa? Did I say something wrong? No, it's not. Well, gak tau lah. Ikan patin makan semut. Aku perhatiin kok kamu makin imut. Wow. Pemadam mana? Anak ibu pemadam Jaksel. Iya, aku juga Jaksel. Aku juga Jaksel. Di dekat stasiun MRT, tahu nggak bu? Pemda Bogor. Waduh, jauh dong kalau Bogor dari sini. Kak, kakinya kenapa? Yang mana? Kakiku shin splint. Iya, tahu. Iya itu betul. Udah jangan doxing aku. Bisa jalan. Bisa tapi pincang dikit. Sumpah sakit banget anjir. Sakit anjir shin splint aku. Ini kayaknya shin splint aku nih yang sekarang literally overused. Karena kemarin aku long run kan. Sebenarnya pas long run itu juga aku masih shin splint. Tapi aku paksain lari karena aku bosen di rumah. Kaki sakit pasti habis lari. Iya, betul. Makanya aku rest. Aku nggak lari dulu sama beberapa hari kebelakangan ini, dan mungkin sampai minggu depan juga. Gak tahu ya. Itu di luar banyak suara burung. Jauh banget Kak lari ke GBK. Cuman kan kalau dari rumah aku naik MRT aja deket dong jatuhnya. Gak deket sih, cuman gak selama itu buat menempuh jaraknya ke GBK. Ya nggak lari dulu kok, banyak demo. Paling kalau misalkan mau lari ya lari di komplekku. Fun run sama ibu. Wah. Oh, ibu biasanya fun run yang berapa kilometer, Bu? Interval 400 kali 12 aja. Aduh, jangan dulu. Ini beneran lagi overuse banget. Tapi emang kalau misalkan shin sprint tuh kalau dipakai lari yang kenceng, pace kecil itu nggak kerasa. Cuman kalau pace rendah, kayak buat long run itu sakit banget, gila, nggak ngerti. Kak, ini kan gue kenal sama cewek ini. Bentar. Nah, dia yang ngajak ketemu. Menurut lu dia ada cowoknya nggak? Lah, aku nggak tahu. Kan aku kan juga nggak kenal sama ceweknya. Aku juga nggak tahu ceweknya yang mana dan seperti apa orangnya. Aku nggak tahu dong dia udah punya cowok apa belum. Aku bukan dukun. Kebetulan aku cek tinggi badan ternyata 162. Itu termasuk tinggi apa pendek? Kalau dibandingin sama aku sih cuma beda 1 cm, yes. Aku 163, berarti kamu lebih pendek dari aku. Wow, keren banget ibu, pace 5. Kamu sering muter-muter di kepala kan? Aduh. Lari dong kak, rute terakhir ke nasi uduk. Aku fun fact, kalau misalkan habis lari aku nggak bisa makan. Jadi aku, alhamdulillah, aku tidak bisa. Apa maksudnya? Aku nggak bisa dikatain lari cuma buat jajan, karena aku nggak pernah jajan habis lari. Paling mungkin kopi doang. Belum apa? Tes nggak kakak? Enggak. Gigi rapi dari lahir atau pernah dipagari? Ya, maksudnya braces. Aku nggak pernah pakai behel. Ini dari lahir, alhamdulillah. Hi, did your boyfriend tell you that you're pretty today or should I do it? Let me know. Izin 170. Oke. Best pace kamu berapa? 5 berapa gitu, aku lupa. Kan cuma 3 kilo. Info pelarian sore ini tidak ada. Saya lagi rest. Saya shin splint. Kaki saya sakit. Ih, pegel anjir. Aku pengen beli running belt baru deh. Running belt aku dulu yang aku pakai sampai sekarang kan ini ya, NU. Nah, itu rada kendor. Aku mau beli yang baru, cuman aku nggak tahu yang bagus apa. Stop bahas casis-casisan ah. Apaan anjir? Ih, geli banget. Sumpah, kamu komen yang bener aja lah, gila. Aku 5 kali 5 kilo, aku 6.30-an pace-nya. Kalau 5 kilo mah aku kuat, pace 5 tuh cuman 3 kiloan doang. Beli jam Garmin running. Ya aku mau nabung, mau beli smartwatch, tapi bingung mau Garmin atau Coros. Katanya bagusan Coros daripada Garmin, tapi aku mau ya Garmin. Daftar kode mana biasanya? Enggak, apa sih? Kak, semangatin kita dong, kita lagi nontonin kakaknya nih ramean. Lama banget live ini, aku bosan, maaf ya, nanti cepet-cepet deh selesai. Ini Garmin Forerunner 55, dibeli aja kak. VO Max-nya udah 53, aku maunya 265. Bisa aja luka temen gue. Ya tapi emang bener, kalau misalkan kalian ikut demo ya kalian stay safe, pulangnya dengan selamat, karena ya pasti ada yang khawatir lah di rumah nungguin kalian. Apa tuh? Kalau Garmin itu bukan FOMO, tapi emang modul sama fiturnya melengkapi, yes. Kalau Coros gimana? Aku nanya dong. Kalau Coros bagus gak? Kau coba dikuncir ponytail atau masih ban? Enggak bisa. Aku rambutnya pendek. Tenang kak, kita udah siap bom molotov 7 botol. Wah, serius kak? Tapi jangan terlalu anarkis juga ya teman-teman. Takutnya kenapa-napa gitu kan. Mending Coros apa Garmin lagi? Aku juga gak tahu, makanya aku nanya. TBBB kakak berapa? 163. BB ku dinamis, berubah-ubah. Kadang kalau belum makan 53, 54. Kalau udah makan 55, 56. Demo harus stay safe ya kak. Stay with you bisa gak? Gak bisa. Pasti bosan. Soalnya di jalan ada demo. Ya sebenarnya kalau misalkan ditanya bosen atau enggak, tentu bosen dong kalau misalkan nggak bisa kemana-mana karena jalannya ditutup atau rame demo. Tapi kan ya mau gimana, kita juga harus selalu doain yang demo dan turun ke jalan, teman-teman. Mamaku aja hari ini disuruh pulang cepat sama kantornya. Gak mau, kamu nyuruh-nyuruh aku kuncir, kenapa sih kamu? Aneh, gak mau kuncir rambut. Olahraga selain lari, biasanya aku leg day di rumah, terus biasanya aku skipping. Dah tuh, barang bagus. Maksudnya gak mau dikuncir. Kamu jangan nyuruh-nyuruh aku kuncir, aku gak mau. Aduh, aku dumbbell punya 2 kan di rumah. Dumbbellnya 5 kilo. Skipping tahan 30 menit. Tapi ya 30 menit tanpa rest gak tahan. Cuman kalau misalkan skipping 30 menit tapi ada restnya, itu aku bisa. Aku biasanya kalau skipping tuh aku targetin minimal 1000, maksimal banget 3000. Kalau misalkan masih bisa di push sampai 5000. Tapi sekarang aku pun skipping jarang karena kakiku lagi sakit. ST di rumah ngapain aja kak? ST itu apa? Iya, aku 30 menit mah kalau rest dikit-dikit. Gimana keadaan habis leg day kak? Ya kalau misalkan awal-awal aku DOMS, gak bisa duduk, gak bisa bangun. Bisa sih, cuman kan sakit. Sampai ribuan skipping normal tuh pakai skill kak. Maksudnya pakai skill tuh yang variasi-variasi gitu kah? Aku variasi juga bukan yang nggak ngerti dah aku bukan yang disilang-silang gitu, enggak aku nggak banyak variasi, cuman bagian kaki doang paling. Aku pull up kalau pull up yang kayak pull up cowok nggak pernah nyobain dan tidak kuat sepertinya. Tapi kalau yang pull up cewek itu yang ya pull up cewek itu kayaknya waktu aku semenit berapa ya? Iya, strength training. Iya, aku lumayan sering lari, cuman belakangan ini enggak karena aku lagi cedera gitu. Aku bentar lagi mau off ya, aku lapar, aku mau makan. Aku kuliah, aku mahasiswi aku guys. Ya WS, terima kasih. Jadi rumah ortu ya? Iya, rumah orang tua aku. Terus aku sekarang lagi libur semester, jadi aku tidak ada kegiatan sehari-harinya. Bye bye. Nggak video call sama doi? Enggak, dia soalnya sibuk belajar. Beli roti O, aku dari tadi pengen yang manis-manis tahu, anjir. Apa aku beli roti O ya? Enggak ah. Emang udah. Kamu positif vibes banget, terus matanya udah. Terima kasih. Makasih banget sumpah. Makasih ya. Aku lowbat lagi 20%. Kira-kira thanks kak, maksudnya apa anjir? Thanks sama-sama, iya. Kenapa emangnya? Kenapa memangnya? Bukannya kamu mau first date sama cewek? Spill doi. Itu saran yang tadi. Oh ya, roti yang combo sama es krim. Iya, itu enak banget. Mau. Aku lagi kayak craving yang something sweet gitu, karena kayaknya aku bentar lagi mau hype deh. Ya aku udah tadi pengen yang manis-manis anjir. Apa aku bikin kopi susu ya? Nggak deh, juga antar aku beliin Hoka. Aduh enggak mau. Beliin aku Super Blaze, Super Blast, Essex. Demo mbak, iya demo, semangat yang demo. Spill merek sepatu Homipet. Sepatu aku Homipet. Stunning face, thank you. Intervaka, aku lagi Shinspin nggak mau. Bata, iya Swallow Bata Homipet tuh koleksi sepatu aku. Lagi mainannya. Mainan apa? Mainan apa? Buat vlog dong kalau lagi lari. Aku gak pandai, sumpah demi apa, aku bingung gimana cara bikin vlognya, sumpah. Emang gimana sih kalau vlog lari itu? Apa yang dikasih tunjuk? Terus muka gue kalau lagi lari juga jelek banget, anjir. Homipet kan ada mainannya, emang iya ya? Nggak tahu aku guys. Aku kayak pengen bondolin lagi karena ini lumayan panjang, cuman aku juga pengen panjangin. Beli roti, oh pulangnya fresh flower. Oh, Isan gak jadi CFD. Sumpah, tapi kayaknya gue juga gak tahu deh. Ini kaki gue makin sakit. Nggak makin sakit sih, cuman masih sakit. Kayaknya gue bakal recovery aja, nggak lari dulu selama beberapa hari ke depan. Gue bilang tadi sama Dava, gue nunggu kabar lu. Kalau enggak, gue CFD masa berdua. Betul, berhentiin hujan, gak bisa lari. Udah kamu rest aja, gak usah lari. Sik mau ke kamera ngapain? Gak mau, aku bentar lagi mau off, aku mau makan, lapar. Kalau mau buat vlog lari, pakai kamera belakang terus arahin ke muka kitanya. Terus di situ ngapain? Kan tuh lari. Aku jelek aja. Aku udah pernah nyobain waktu aku lari di komplek iseng-iseng gitu kan. Jelek. Positif pasti sering. Live mulu. Ya udah maaf atuh Kak Mirza. Ntar lagi aku off karena aku mau makan. Bad mom. Thank you. Gak apa-apa, sering live aja. Pas ini, pasin jam 4. Oh iya, 4 menit lagi. Hai kak, boleh minta tolong promosikan sepatu Converse-ku nggak di IG? Ada Viko. I don't know. Emang kenapa? Kenapa kamu nggak minta teman-teman kamu aja? Pede aja, gak usah malu sama muka kita. Siap. Spill kaki yang bengkak. Nih kaki sebelah kiri. Tapi ngapain banget gue nge-spill kaki gue. Agaknya ngeri ya nge-spill kaki di TikTok dan sosial media. Jadi sepertinya tidak bisa. Mana waktunya gak pernah kelihatan. Ada, itu mamaku ada di bawah. Ini aku lagi di kamar. Masa aku kasih unjuk mamaku, kan privasi. Aku jepit kak bulu mata kamu. Iya, ini aku jepit. Aku pakai maskara dan aku jepit bulu mata. Coba baca ini kak. Apa? Kas GBK yuk malam ini. Enggak, aku lagi rest. No. Baca ini, baca apa? Baca ini, iya udah apa? Oh besok malam. Enggak, aku lagi rest sampai beberapa hari ke depan. Hah? Apa sih? Malming. Gak tahu. Aku tuh gara-gara Shinspleen kemana-mana. Kalau misalkan jalan tuh sakit guys. Aku jadi mager mau kemana-mana, sumpah. Naik turun tangga pun sakitnya minta ampun. Udah 2 menit lagi. Males nungguin 2 menit, aku mau off, aku mau makan, lapar. Dadah. Terima kasih sudah menemani aku live teman-teman. Stay safe yang demo. Dadah. Apa? Jangan bikin penasaran komen ya kalau misalkan aku mau end live. Kok udahan? Lapar mau makan. Dadah guys. Dadah. mau end live.